In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print from Notion. If you need a paper copy of a Notion page, or you want to save it as a PDF for sharing or archiving, the process is actually very simple. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to do it in a desktop web browser. And I'll also point out a couple of small things to watch for, so your final document looks right before you print. To get started, open your Notion page in a desktop web browser such as Chrome, Firefox, or Edge. Using a desktop browser is important here because it gives you access to the full print options and a more reliable print preview. Once the page is open, take a quick moment to make sure you are on the exact page you want to print and that everything has fully loaded on the screen. Next, open the Print menu. You can do this quickly with your keyboard by pressing Ctrl and P on Windows or Command and P on a Mac. This shortcut opens your browser's print window where you'll be able to choose how you want to output the page. It's the fastest and most direct way to print from Notion without needing any extra tools. When the print settings appear, look for the printer selection area. Here, you can choose your physical printer if you want a hard copy. If you don't want to print right away and would rather create a digital version, choose the option that says Save as PDF. This is especially useful if you want to email the file, store it on your computer, or keep a backup of your notes in a format that's easy to open later. Before you finish, check the print preview carefully. This is an important step because it lets you confirm that the page is displaying correctly and that no text is being cut off at the edges. If the preview doesn't look right, you may want to adjust basic browser print settings such as scale or page layout until the content fits more cleanly on the page. Taking a few extra seconds here can save you from wasting paper or generating a PDF that doesn't look the way you expected. Once everything looks good in the preview, go ahead and click Print if you are sending it to a printer, or Save if you are creating a PDF file. And that's all it takes to print from Notion using a desktop browser. Thanks for watching.